Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey at home. Um, I'm gonna be doing another video chat with Jolene Caulfield in just a moment, coming up in the next couple hours. But first, um, um, we're gonna talk. But first, um, we have um, um, uh. We have some good news to report for tomorrow. We should be back with the trains. I heard the OCT whistles today, so I don't know if there's going to be a train here tomorrow. If not, we'll have to go to Erie for CSX. I was expecting going to CSX until after next week, but still, or and plus slash Norfolk Southern too. I almost forgot. And and with and then with so it'll be more interesting to see the OCT. And then I'm not sure what we're doing for the trains Monday. We should, as Tom said, one of the one of the conductors at the railroad said they don't do very many long days on Mondays. Um, he does they always do the short days on Mondays for some reason on freight days and uh and then so that'd be more exciting. Up, up, I can hear the engine. I I can actually hear the train. This whistle you're hearing right now is a former Canadian national. They're just they just remodeled the Alco 85. I got 2 videos of it this past Monday, and then I'm hoping we're gonna get some train here in town tomorrow. If not, we're gonna have to get over to the CSX. I might talk with Jolene tomorrow. If there's not a Titusville train tomorrow, we might gonna go to a CSX spot in Erie. But I have I'm gonna ask Ollie sometime today, sometime today or sometime next week, and see if how we're gonna get into Erie for the Norfolk and CSX, and then the CSX line is, that's why they in the Erie they say CSX is a Lake Erie subdivision and Norfolk Southern is Lake Erie District. Yeah. That's what they said. That's what they said in Northeast. They say the same thing too. The CSX Lake Erie subdivision and Norfolk Southern Lake Erie District. Sometimes the NS, they say line, and sometimes NS said there's a district, but that's it. It's most, so that'll be more interesting. We'll have more with the chat stuff. I was talked with Jolene last show. We're playing the feud. We were playing the feud last show about the 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 question was name a food it's good for dinner, and GB said ice cream for dinner, and it wasn't up. It was a good answer, but it wasn't up there. Yeah. I don't know why we're getting those smarty answers up there, and I never heard of it on ice cream. Should have been a dessert food, not a supper food. Or unless in the upcoming Thanksgiving I'll say apple pie be a supper food. and the apple. So anyway, I'm just letting you know, later on at around 2:00, I gotta be on the video chat with Jolene for the second straight day. Same situations and stuff, but I'm hoping that the storms clear up, so we don't want to. Because when I was chatting with Ollie on Zoom, we got off just in time before the thunderstorms hit, and then I was with Jolene last Friday. There was severe thunderstorms and tornadoes were there too. I got those on my regular channel. That will be up in the next 2 weeks. Make it next 3 weeks. Or so. I'm going to look up on the channel. I don't know if it's next week. Maybe 2 or 3. I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to take a look at it. And then. So interesting. We'll be seeing. I was going to put her on camera, but my battery's low, so and if you like my videos, my channel is the place to be as well. I got wedding videos on there. I got videos of Anna's wedding, Blake and Anna's wedding. Listening to the Oil Creek and Titusville Railroad's whistle. I'm going to be doing upcoming trucks coming up, including the Advanced Disposal truck. So I'll have more trucks on there in the next couple days. And I'll have the yellow bus, or I'll have the yellow truck in there in the next couple days. So I'll be doing the train, or not my trains, but my truck videos on my regular channel, because I already have a train channel on here too. So that's more, so it'll be more interesting. Plus, maybe I'll do the chat with Jolene in 2 parts. Um, but I'll get the cell phone out coming up in about 1 hour, so it'll be more interesting. And then I'm gonna make a video in the next week to make the drill. We're gonna draw out the pumpkin. So I'm hoping for some likes on these. So more exciting to see the pumpkins heading into the Halloween season. So a lot of good things we'll see on my regular channel coming up. And then I was talking with, I'm mentioning on the last show with Jolene that we done a lot of Family Feuds and a lot of my other shows, and then and so it'll be pretty good. So, but I think what would be on, like 12 minutes. I think we've been on for 12 minutes, so maybe I'll go another minute, and then I'm gonna have to shut this off because my tablet's low on battery, but still. So that'll be more exciting to get her on our, and I'll show her on camera in the next couple days. I'll bright her down so everybody can see it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna go get my cell phone ready in about one, and then we'll talk to you guys and then we'll see you in about 1 hour to do the video chat with with Jolene Caulfield. So so that's gonna be it for this video, and we'll talk to you guys when she gets on. Talk to you later.